How to change system language on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your system language on your Windows 11 on your PC. Now, first thing, head over to your Start menu and here you can find the option Settings. Tap on it and it will redirect you to your settings. Now, once here, go ahead and on the search option, search for language. Now you can see language settings and edit language and keyboard options. Tap on it and here you'll get an option add a language. Tap on add a language and over here you can add any language you want and select and click on next. Now once you search for it, select the language pack and click on install. Now once this happens, it will get installed. Hope this helps. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.